Will thousands of Connecticut residents with pre-existing conditions suddenly become uninsurable?
That's the big question as Republicans in Congress move ahead this week with a plan to repeal Obamacare, even though they do not yet have a plan to replace it. Chief Political Correspondent Mark Davis joins us with more on this. Mark?
Hi, Ann and Scott. Good evening, everyone from the Hartford newsroom. Yeah, Democrats around the country are staging events trying to call attention to the positive and best parts of Obamacare, or the Affordable Care Act. And in particular, they're trying to rally up public support for moving more slowly on the repeal. 60-year-old Gay Heyer of West Haven was diagnosed with breast cancer 7 years ago. It was at a time when her husband had lost his job and they had lost their insurance. Her treatment was covered by the Connecticut Charter Oak Plan, which was eventually absorbed by the Federal Affordable Care Act, Obamacare.
I am a breast cancer survivor. And if the ACA is removed, I will be uninsurable.
Repeal would mean the protections in the ACA, like no refusal of coverage because of pre-existing conditions, would suddenly be gone.
Should I be so unfortunate as to have a recurrence, basically I will lose my home and I won't know where to go or what to do.
There are thousands of other Connecticut residents like Gay that would be in the same kind of uninsurable health care crisis if the Congress moves ahead with repeal without some sort of plan to replace it.
It's terrifying. I think it's foolish. And I think it's something that we all have to stand up against.
My medications cost upward of $250,000 a year, and that's before I set foot in the doctor's office for exams and tests.
Colleen Brunetti of West Hartford has pulmonary hypertension, a rare lung disease. Without Obamacare, insurance companies could again impose annual limits on how much they will pay.
Repeal and no replace is a disaster. It's wrong. It's sloganeering. It's shameful, and it's dangerous.
This week begins the battle, and that's why we are here today, to say no to the Republican effort to make America sick again.
As you see, they're playing off the president-elect's campaign slogan here, so there's sloganeering on both sides, for sure. At about this hour in the Senate floor, Democratic senators, like Senator Blumenthal included, are planning to start some speeches tonight trying to get this repeal effort to slow down. But Blumenthal admitted that the Democrats, who have 48 seats in the Senate, will need 3 Republicans to join them if they're successful in holding off this repeal. Live from the Hartford newsroom, Mark Davis, News 8.